If you need to make some space on your Gmail account and you've noticed that there's a backup of an old phone, even though all the information has been moved to your new one, you may want to delete this. Or maybe you just don't want this information backed up to Google. Whatever the case, I've found the way to delete this information is to switch over to the device that was backed up. Once I was on that device, I scrolled up and went to Settings. I then scrolled down until I saw something called Google and Google Services and clicked on that. This brought me to this page where I then clicked on Manage Backup on the part near the middle. This brought me to this backup page where I could see all of the information that was backed up from this device. I then simply had to scroll up to near the top and find a setting called Backup to Google One. After toggling the switch to turn this off, it brought me to a menu where it gave me the option to turn off and delete. After clicking on this button, it brought me to a page where I could see all of the data that was backed up and choose what I wanted to delete. So be careful you don't delete any wanted data like photos and videos. Once you've made the selection of the things you want to delete, go ahead and press confirm, and just like that, you should see your Google account get some easy space.